Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you are in the part of the world. You're welcome to my channel. Once again, my name is Nancy. If you're new here, please endeavor to subscribe. All right. So at the end of this video, if you find it interesting, if you find it helpful, please endeavor to hit the like button and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you get notified. All right. Today I'll be discussing about a very simple issue. It is very simple, but I don't know how simple it is anyways, but I think it's very simple and interesting. It has to do with young people, male and female, both male and female. So I don't want to narrow it down to either male or female. I think both genders are guilty as charged. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so what I see, or what is giving me concern, or what has prompted me to make this video, please ignore any noise you're hearing from the background. Any noise. I think there are cars passing beside my house. I have seen people and I have seen a lot of persons. I see no reason why we should fake our lifestyle. I see no reason we should fake the real we. What am I trying to say? As a guy or as a lady, you are going into a relationship with people, anybody, the opposite sex, and you're getting to know yourselves. It starts from there. Some persons say from clap, then they enter dance. Now, it starts from getting to know yourself. It starts from getting to know your hobbies, your do's and don'ts, your likes and your dislikes, what you like doing, what you hate people doing around you and all that. But in doing all of these things, please let's endeavor to keep it real. Very, very important. Endeavor to keep it real. Why am I saying this? There are some persons, some guys, or some ladies, first of all, I want to correct this thing that we always do. You are meeting someone for the first time, and then you're getting to know yourself, and you're like, tell me everything about yourself. That question alone used to get me angry. It used to get me angry a lot. I can't tell you everything about myself in a day. Even people that are married, they still don't know everything about themselves. There are still some things that, when they do it, the other spouse will be like, really? So you have this thing hidden in you and I have not seen it? It's like that. There are some things that they don't know about each other, even though they've been married for some time. So you tell me everything about yourself is relatively impossible, my dear. So if you say, okay, tell me about you. Can I get to meet you? Tell me about you. I will tell you the ones I remember. And then the ones I forget, so that you will not come up one day and tell me, you did not tell me this thing about you. I forgot. I didn't remember everything. I like doing this. I like doing that. I like doing this. I like doing that. And then one day, you now see me, what do I say now? You now see me doing something else. I like, do you do this? I will be like, yes, I like doing it. And then you're telling me, you didn't tell me you like doing it. I did not remember that day. It's not everything I will remember. Now, my major concern, what prompted me to do this video today is this. I said, keep it real. In doing those things, in telling someone about yourself, try to keep it real. That thing you like doing, tell her or tell him, this is what I like doing, this is what I don't like doing. Don't come and tell me, I like this, I like that, I like you tell me your love languages. I like touching when I'm talking to you. Whenever I'm talking to you, I like maintaining body contact. I like maintaining eye contact. I like doing this. I like doing that. And then all of a sudden in the relationship, I'm not seeing any of those things. It could be that those things you told me were the things that attracted me to you, or attracted you to me. Anyhow you want to put the English, put it. It could be that those things you said were the things that actually, made me to fall in love with you. And then at the end of the day, I'm not seeing those things. I'll be surprised. I'm like, oh, for real? So please don't tell me I like surprises. I like surprising my women. Anybody I'm in a relationship with, I like surprising them. And then because I like surprises, I would want to give you a trial. At the end of the day, the surprise is not forthcoming. Apart from that, that is not really this is just by the way. What I'm trying to say is the things you like doing, you love doing, you do them. Let those things be the ones you say. Don't say it because you want to get the ladies' attention, because ladies like those things. You now start saying it. If it's not in you, it's not in you. There is no way you can force it in. I like studying the Bible. I like reading my Bible. I wake up in the morning, I read my Bible. In the afternoon, I read my Bible. In the night before I go to bed, I read my Bible. And then because I like, men that are worded, I will not accept you. I will not see you reading your Bible, brother. I will be so disappointed. Sister, he will be so disappointed. So please, keep it real. Don't over exaggerate yourself. In fact, for me, I don't even tell you the good part of me. I will tell you, see, this is me, this is the real me. It's you that will now discover those good parts of me and be like, wow, I never knew you were this nice. You like surprises. Everybody does. We all like surprises. So if you like surprises, surprise me, and then I'll surprise you. Don't tell me you like surprises. You now go and fold your hands and be expecting me to come and be surprising you. Now. No. Those things you want to see in your partner, do them. I like quality time. I like, you list your love languages. Those things, it might not be your partner's love language anyways, but then there are still, nobody hates good thing. Nobody hates good thing. Yeah. Everybody likes surprises. So, whether surprise is your love language or it's not your love language, surprise me. I will surprise you. So please, I am begging us, keep it real. Try and keep it real. Those things you say to that lady, those things you say to that young man, they might be the things that will attract him. Some persons will say, you don't only listen to the words of mouth alone. You need to seek the face of God. You need to pray. Yes, we cannot overemphasize the place of prayers in going into a relationship. No. The place of prayer matters a lot. So, but then again, it's not everybody that, go about, we have to pray. I won't say don't pray, but trust me, it's not everybody that, pray and pray and pray before they go into a relationship. Some persons will be like, okay, let's just give it a try. It might just be that thing, that particular thing you told her, these are the things I like. These are the things I like. I like this, I like that, I like this. She will now, because of those things you told her, accept you. Then at the end of the day, you will now disappoint her because you are not keeping up to those things you said. And then again, you as a guy or you as a lady, you are telling the guy, you know why I fell in love with you? It's because of this, your nice nature. You joke, you joke, you're very funny. That's why I fell in love with you. You compliment me. I'm a very serious person. But now I've seen that you joke a lot. The both of us cannot be serious all the time now. So I need somebody that will make me smile, that will make me laugh. And then at the end of the day, you are still telling her that you play too much, you do this too much, you do that too much. Well, you told her that was the reason you fell in love with her. So deal with it. I am not saying correcting him or her is wrong. No. You can correct her. Yes, too much of everything is actually bad. Too much of everything is bad. But not when she's joking, you're not telling her, I don't like the way you joke. I don't like the way you take everything for granted. I don't like the way you are playing with everything. There are some persons, even in their playful nature, they are getting things done. For someone like me, you might just think I am playing. Yes, I'm very playful to a fault, but then I know where to cut the shots. Do you get? I know where to cut the shots. You cannot pass some boundaries. There are some lines you can't cross, even in my joking and playful nature. And even in that joking and playful nature, I'm still getting my results. So there are some persons whose nature are like that. It's not everybody that has this face uptight, very serious human being. It's not all of us that are serious. the world is not resting on your shoulder. You're not melting. Do you get? Try to loosen up. You see somebody that is complimenting you, you're not telling her that she's joking too much. And first of all, you told her, and then as a young lady, a guy, is a giver. He gives. He likes to give. You told him, dear, this your giving nature is why I fell in love with you. And then all of a sudden, you are telling her, I don't like the way you are giving to people. You met him like that. He's a giver. There are some persons that are naturally like that. He's a giver. And that's why God is blessing him. So you can't stop him from doing that. You just have to deal with it. You just have to get used to the fact that the person you're with is a giver. The person you're with is like this. I am not saying there's no room for compromise or there's no room for corrections. You can correct your spouse. You can correct your partner when they are wrong. So in a nutshell, the summary of this video is that please keep your things about me, many things, keep them real. Don't come and tell me I like this, I like that, I can do this, I can do that, I can do this, I like it on my, and then at the end of the day I'm not seeing those things in that relationship. No, it's not going to work for me. All right, so please, I would like to hear your own opinion. Nobody's an island. We are all learning. We are learning every day. So I would like to hear your own opinion in the comment section. I'll be in the comment section reading your comments. I'll be there. All right, so till next time, till I come your way again. Bye-bye. So let me know how you feel about this video. And don't forget, please don't forget to subscribe. Please, just subscribe. Subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. Till next time. Bye.